Now we'll solve the problems of linear inequalities by graphical method. Solving inequalities by graphical method is an important concept which helps you to do x0 is y-axis, y0 is x-axis. Greater means the graph should lie only in this quadrant. So don't stretch the lines further. X plus y less than or equal to 3, equate it to 3, x plus y equal to 3. Welcome to the session, dear students. Now we'll solve the problems of linear inequalities by graphical method. I told you this is important. Solving inequalities by graphical method is an important concept which helps you to do linear programming problems in 12th standard. So learn this properly. So now the first is 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. Next, x greater than or equal to minus 1 and y greater than or equal to 2. So draw 3 lines, shade 3 lines and retain the region which is common for all 3. So now first 5x plus 4y, I'll take is equal to 20. Put x is equal to 0. If I put x equal to 0, this is gone. So 4y is 20. 4y is 20 and y gives you what? 20 divided by 4. 20 by 4 is 5. Then one of the point I call it as A. A is what? 0, 5. This is a point on y axis. Then put y equal to 0. If I put y 0, this is gone. So 5x is equal to 20 and x is 20 by 5, 4. So b is what? X comma y, 4 comma 0. So now you got 2 points. Now we'll draw the line segment. So this is y axis, all of you know, and this is x axis. And we need to draw the line 0, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is A 0, 5. And B is 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a line. You can stretch. To draw a line, we need minimum 2 points. After you take a scale and stretch a line between these 2 points. And this is the point. Now we need to shade less than. You can see 5x plus 4, y less than or equal to 20. If you put origin 0 plus 0, origin means what? In the place of x and y, put 0, 0. So this particular point is called as what? Origin in the graph. So you'll get 0 less than 20. It is true, 0 is less than 20. So shading should be towards origin. Arrow mark means shading goes like this, downwards. But we don't shade, later we'll see. So next, x greater than or equal to 1. X greater than or equal to 1 means x is equal to 1. On x-axis at 1, draw a line. On x-axis at 1, let me draw a line. So this is x-axis, on x-axis, this is 1. At 1, I'll draw a line parallel to what axis? Parallel to y-axis at 1. This is x is equal to 1 line. And they told greater than 1 means I should shade right side, shading goes right. Then y greater than 2, So now the last line is y greater than 2. Y greater than or equal to 2. Y equal to 2. Y equal to 2 means on y-axis at 2, draw a line parallel to x-axis. Greater means I should shade above. So like this, shading goes upwards. So you can see all the shadings. So first I'll start with red line. Red line shading comes downwards like this. So here all are mixing. So this is red line. And blue line goes right side. Blue line shading goes right side. So like this. And the purple line shading goes above. So like this, all are mixing only in this region. So this region we say P, point of intersection, this is Q, this is R, this is the feasible region. So now other than feasible region, uncommon region, you erase it. So I have to shade above, but it mix here. So uncommon, I'll erase. Uncommon part, please erase uncommon part. So now this is feasible region. What is feasible region? So therefore the solution region is PQR, this part. So shading will be here. So this arrow mark also need to erase. So this uncommon part I'll erase. only I'll retain a common part. Only I'll retain common part. Okay, common part na erase ಮಾಡಿ, common part retain ಮಾಡಿ. So this is the solution region. Sorry, this is the solution region. So this is the solution region, this part. So graphically you need to solve. Next, 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60. 3x plus 4y equal to 60 you take. Put x 0. If you put x 0, we'll get 4y is equal to 60. So y is equal to 60 divided by 4. So y is equal to 4. 1s are 4, 5s are. So point A is x comma y, 0 comma 15. And put y equal to 0. If you put y 0, 3x equal to 60. And x is equal to 60 by 3. So x is 20. So now point B is 20 comma 0. So now you have 2 points, and then a draft line I'll draw, and then we'll take second line. So second line I'll draw using this color, that is x plus. See here, if I draft a line here for this, we'll get a line like this, and less than shading will be below. And one point on y-axis 0, 15, 0, 15, and one point on x-axis. This is A, this is B. B is what? 20, 0. And now the second line is x plus 3y is equal to 30. I'll take x 0 you put, you'll get y as 3y is 30 and y is 10, and you got C is 0 comma 10, and put y 0. If you put y 0, x is 30, so we'll say d is what? 30 comma 0, and the line 0, 10, 0, 10, it is C, and we have 30 and 0, and it is less than means again shading is below, like this, the shading goes down towards origin. Then the last line is x greater than 0. This two, x greater than or equal to 0. My dear students, x greater than 0 means right side, y greater than 0 means this. Means x greater than 0, y greater than 0, we say first quadrant. Don't need to x 0 is y axis, y 0 is x axis. Greater means x greater than 0 means x positive, y positive means first quadrant. So graph should retain only in first quadrant. No need to draw that. Most important I can say. So now we'll do the graph for this. So we'll draw axis, x-axis, y-axis, origin, and first line 0, 15, 20, 0, 0, 15. Suppose this is 15, yeah, 0, 15, C, B, 20, 0. So you take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit and graph it and plot the graph properly. And shading was below, arrow mark I'll put. Then blue line 0, 10, 30, 0, 0, 10, 30, 0, 0, 10, 30, 0. 0, 10 will be here. Sorry, 0, 10 will be here. See, 30, 0 will be after this. 30, 0. So now this is the line, and shading again goes down. Then the other two lines, no need to draw. The other two lines, one line is x greater than or equal to 0, other one is y greater than or equal to 0. My dear students, y axis na ನಾವು x equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ, and x axis na y equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So greater x greater than means right side, y greater than means above, means the graph should lie only in this quadrant. So don't stretch the lines further. So I stopped the lines within what quadrant? First quadrant. Remember, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0 ಎರಡೂ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ it says first quadrant, and don't draw and waste your time. Now greater means this, I should shade towards this, and for this I should shade all will mix in this region. The blue line and the red line will mix in this region. This is a feasible region, and these type of graphs are common in what is called as secondary PUC. In your secondary PUC, and this is uncommon part, I'll erase. Then this is a solution region, and I should not go away from what? First quadrant. So first quadrant in the acha hogbaradu. Therefore, solution region. What is the solution? Solution is CPBO. This is solution region, this part. I hope all of you got this. Then 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4, x plus y greater than or equal to 3, less than or equal to 3, 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. 3 different lines. Draw all. So 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4. So 2x plus y equal to 4. X, if you put 0, you will get y 4. You got point A. A is what? 0 comma 4. And y equal to put 0. X will be at 2. So B is what? 2 comma 0. You got one of the line. Then second one, that is x plus y less than or equal to 3, equate it to 3, x plus y equal to 3, put x equal to 0, you will get y3, put y equal to 0, you will get x3. So now AB is over, C is what? 0 comma 3, D is what? 3 comma 0, and we have third line, that is 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. I'll equate it to 6. X is 0, minus 3y is 6, and y is minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2, A, B, C, D, E, and y equal to 0, 2x is 6, and x is 3, F is 3 comma 0. Now we'll draw the graph. So this is y axis, x axis, origin, and plot the points. First 0, 4, 2, 0, 0, 4, 0, 4, 2, 0. This is one line. So this is 2, 0, and shading is, so you can see it is greater. Greater means shade above. Just I'll put one arrow mark. Shading goes like this. Then next line. So next line, 0, 3, 3, 0, 0, 3, 3, 0, 0, 3, little less than this, 0, 3, 3, 0 after this. See D, 3, 0 after this. So now if you refer, again it is less than means what? Less than means shade below, arrow mark is like this. So arrow mark is like this. And for this red line, the arrow mark is above. For the blue line, arrow mark is below. Now next we have the other line, that is 0 minus 2, 3, 0. 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2 is here, minus 1, minus 2, 0 minus 2, A, B, C, D, E, and then 3, 0, 3, 0 is here, 3, 0 is already there, same D. So now stretch a line between these two. Now for this shading we should do, you can see origin is here. So I'll put origin in this line to shade 2x minus 3y less than 6. 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. I'll put origin, means 0 minus 0 less than 6. 0 less than 6 is true. So shading of yellow line goes up. So shade up. You can see all the shadings will mix in this region. This point, this point, this point. This is the feasible region. So if I take blue shading is also here. If I take red line shading is also here. If I take yellow line shading also comes. So wherever it is common, retain it. Wherever it is uncommon, erase it. See here you have only blue, erase. only blue, erase. Here blue and yellow will be there, but all three, blue, yellow, red, three lines are there. All three lines should mix. Where all three lines are mixing, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ feasible region. I'll give the names to them. So I call this as, say, P, point of intersection. This B is already there, D is there, D, F. So therefore solution in my graph is, solution region is P, B, D or PBF, whatever, because this D and F both are same. This is a way to draw. Whenever you have more than one line, draw all the lines, shade all the lines. Where all the shadings will mix, retain it. Where only two lines are mixing, if we have three lines. So this is one line, this is second line, this is third line. All three lines are mixing in this region. This is feasible region. So other than that, you should erase. So this is a feasible region. So this is a solution region. I hope all of you understood how to draw and shade. So dear students, same method you apply and complete 14 and 15. So when you have three lines, draw all the lines and shade all the lines. Retain that region which is common. Uncommon region, erase it. Common region determined by all the constants or all the inequalities is solution region. This is the same concept we use in LPP. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.